Jasmy token might just be getting a bounce here after all, and maybe the downside has subsided. Why am I thinking that this is possible? Well, looking at some key signals right now going on with Bitcoin and Bitcoin dominance relative to altcoins, a lot of people are expecting an altcoin season to be coming sooner rather than later, and we could be at that very moment in time where it might actually be right around the corner, and Jasmy might be finding a bottom right here before it continues up to go to 30 cents, which I think it'll hit at some point in this bull market, 50 cents, which I think is possible in this bull market, and maybe even a $1 Jasmy token. Let me know if you think that's possible in the comments throughout this video. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments section. We want to hear from the community out there. Smash the like button and welcome to the Crypto Report, everybody. I'm Crypto Kip. Let's talk about Jasmy in this one. Bitcoin is down 2% today, but Ethereum is up. What is going on? Altcoins are showing strength. Take a look at Bitcoin dominance right here. We explored this. I told you guys in my Jasmy video yesterday that if Bitcoin can really hold here or go a little bit down and altcoins can sustain their prices, we might see a rejection off about 59% dominance for Bitcoin. Why is Bitcoin dominance important? What is Bitcoin dominance for those of you guys that don't know? It is the amount of money that is invested in Bitcoin compared to the rest of the market. 57% of all the money in cryptocurrency on this very day in this moment in time is at 57%. 57% of all the money in crypto is in Bitcoin. And that is falling lower because altcoins are coming up today. And you know what? So is Jasmy a little bit. If you look at some of the top gainers, you'll see some coins are up 20-something%. Some coins are up 10% today. And Jasmy token ain't really around the top of the list, but it is sitting right here with a nice 5% gain on the day. It is right now, if you look at the total market cap of this coin, it is the 67th largest cryptocurrency by market cap with currently $1.69 billion invested in it. If we're taking a look at some of the technicals that I want to share with you in this video for Jasmy, I told you guys there's a chance we could come back down to this 2.5 cent level potentially, or maybe even fall down to this 0.015 cent level. But I don't know if this 1.5 cent level is looking like it's as possible right now because we are seemingly finding a floor here. Bitcoin is falling lower. Altcoins are holding strong. Bitcoin dominance is falling lower, signaling perhaps that an altcoin season could be here. So what's the deal with Jasmy? Jasmy might be holding this, which is previously resistance, as you see here, resistance, turning it now into potentially support, finding a little bit of a level right here around this really 0.031, 0.032 cent level, 3.2 cents for Jasmy. We might be able to hold this floor. I've been talking about like Dogecoin a lot as well. Dogecoin is also holding its, again, previously resistance, turning that into support here, finding a bounce. This is Dogecoin versus Bitcoin. We're finding a lot of altcoins finding support versus Bitcoin right now. Jasmy could be benefiting from an altcoin boom coming soon. So what are my targets? Guys, if Jasmy coin, first of all, can kind of break through this little downtrend. So if you kind of look here, if you see Jasmy coin break above 0.037, 3.7 cents, very quickly, it's going to be making a move to 4.5 cents. And if it can break through 4.5 cents, very quickly, it's going to be testing its previous high that it just put in on December for the year, the high for the year, at about almost 6 cents. And after it hits 6 cents, guys, it can move very fast back up to some of the previous highs that we saw around 30 cents. This isn't the best Jasmy chart to look at some of the previous historic highs, but you'll see if you look at some of the other charts, there are 30-cent levels, 50-cent levels, and potentially a dollar level that we might see at Jasmy in the future. When it first launched, it was all the way up at like $5. The supply and the tokenomics have changed since then. More of the supply has been released into the ecosystem. You do have to be aware that there is right now a circulating supply of 49.39 billion Jasmy tokens out of the 50 billion total supply. So more of the supply could be released into the ecosystem, which could actually, slow down the price appreciation of the token. Though relative to some other coins, it's actually got most of the supply out. There's some tokens like, for example, Crocoin I like a lot. Actually, less of the supply for Crocoin is out relative to what Jasmy has going on. I'm still bullish on CRO. I'm bullish on Jasmy, but this is something to be aware of. Sitting at a $1.72 billion market cap, knowing if you believe that the total market cap could go possibly to $10 trillion in this bull market, seeing that we're kind of getting a bounce off this $3 trillion previous high for total market cap for crypto, finding support here, we could see trillions of dollars flow into the space, knowing that Jasmy coin, which is finding the floor potentially at 3.2 cents, is only at a $1.7 billion market cap, knowing that maybe hundreds of billions, if not trillions, are going to flow into the crypto space. Jasmy has a lot of upside. I think 30 cents is certainly an option for this bull market. 50 cents, I think, is on the table as well. But in the short term, what you really need to look out for is about this 0.037 level. If we can break through, we're going very quickly to 4.5 cents. And if we break through that, I think we can hit 5 or 6 cents again. And then in a hurry, 30 cents. I think the 30 cents comes faster than anybody might expect if we get this true altcoin season. You can track it here. I got this nice altcoin season tracker. We're kind of reversing up. I want to see this go into this area again in altcoin season. We'll get that if Bitcoin dominance continues to fall like it is. But then we have to be cautious of another bounce at 55% here. If it bounces, then you're going to see altcoins turn the other way versus Bitcoin, or Bitcoin's going to start outperforming altcoins again. What I really want to see, and what Jasmy holders want to see, is Bitcoin dominance fall down. And if you go zoom out historically, we've seen Bitcoin dominance come down into the 40s, into the low 40s. We might even see that again at some point. The lower Bitcoin dominance goes, the higher Jasmy can pump. I'm bullish on Jasmy. There's a couple key targets for you. This 0.015 cent level is less likely as of today. Of course, if Bitcoin has a big fall, comes down to 85K, we are going to circle back to the conversation about 2.4 cents very quickly. That's going to happen very quickly, I think. And then we might have to take another look at 1.5 cents. We'll keep an eye on it, guys. Follow this channel for more crypto updates. If you want to trade Jasmy token for yourself, trade some of the volatility, you can sign up for Blowfin, up to a $5,000 deposit bonus when you do sign up using our link, and a 10% discount on trading fees if you want to check it out. That's all I have in this one. I'm Crypto Kip. Smash the like, subscribe to the channel, DCA, hold on, my friends, and of course, I will see you in the next one. Peace, y'all. See you next time.